Ever wondered what could derail your chances of acing your electrical exam? The biggest mistake many candidates make isn't a lack of knowledge, but rather poor test-taking strategies. To avoid falling into this trap, here's the truth about how to approach your exam preparation and performance. Understand the exam format. One common mistake is not fully understanding the format of the exam. Before you even start studying, familiarize yourself with the types of questions and the structure of the test. This means knowing whether it's multiple choice, short answer, or practical. By understanding the exam layout, you can tailor your study strategies effectively. Practice under real conditions. Many fail to practice under conditions that mimic the actual exam. Simulate the test environment by timing yourself while taking practice tests. This will help you get used to the pressure of the exam and improve your time management skills. Review and revise. Simply reading through your study materials isn't enough. Make sure to review and revise key concepts regularly. Identify areas where you're struggling and focus on those. Regular revision helps reinforce your knowledge and ensures that you're not caught off guard by unfamiliar questions. Avoid last-minute cramming. One of the biggest mistakes is cramming the night before. Instead, spread out your study sessions over weeks or months. This approach, known as spaced repetition, enhances retention and understanding, leading to better performance on the exam. Stay calm and focused. Test anxiety can be a major obstacle. Practice relaxation techniques and stay calm during the exam. Deep breathing or visualization can help you maintain focus and approach each question with a clear mind. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you'll be better prepared and more confident on exam day. For more tips and resources to help you succeed, visit our website and explore the study tools available.